does add 10 pounds. Jesus Christ. Let me get a check. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan with 6bstyle, and this first project is going to be the renovation of my kitchen. Renovation, redo, redecoration, one of those things. We're going to do all of that today. Here is the before. I have plenty of counter space and storage for a New York apartment. I hope to brighten up the space and install open storage for newly acquired heirloom dishes. Okay, first things first, a little trip on the MTA to Home Depot. There we'll be picking up shelves, brackets, screws, a drill, and some other general home supplies. This does not like fully characterize the MTA. I don't know what does. No, looking for their Rubbermaid like regular shelving. Hold on. Hold please. They're cute. Household shelves. How big are they? 2.5 by. These would be really cute actually. Ooh. And they're wood and I'm going to do gonna be a natural element. Here we go. Thinking in the white. 3 needed, 29 by 35, so that's too deep. Looking for the 24-inch ones. 24 inches. Here we go. White shelf. Boom. The one place where they really need to cut the wood, they don't cut the wood. Righto, so I did not expect to spend $300 at the Home Depot. But that's okay. You know, I had to get a drill and a bit because I'm probably gonna have to like actually do some real home improvement, you know, putting things into drywall, screwing, drilling, that sort of thing. So all good. Also the guy there was super helpful in getting me like what I really needed and not pay too much money for things. So all right, so we are back going to the MTA and I am I'm going to check in with you at home to start to put up the subway tile. Right, so first things first, let's do the peel and stick tile. I actually received this from Amazon. I'm not typically an online shopper, but this was very easy. The reviews were very high and really effective, so I felt comfortable enough to do it. These came 10 to a pack. I got 2 packs just to make sure that I had enough for the space. Overall, it took about 2 hours for me to build, and I think they worked out really well. They're very effective. I ended up getting those shoe shelves and doing a little DIY/hack situation. I love the result. They are light, airy, and more unique than that Rubbermaid alternative. And here is our finished project. My light open shelving beautifully displays my collection of modern serveware, and my mother's depression glass. Pops of turquoise add some interest as well. The countertops has marble accents as well as some whimsical figures, salt and pepper shakers, and a wonderful horse head. The windowsill has beautiful Japanese vintage glassware and just some other silver elements I've had around the house. I accented the space with lots of black, so a black frame family recipe, my parents' old cast iron skillet. The handles are a black modern finish from Amazon, and I also replaced all of the switches with new black switches as well. Flowers finish the space. I hung my plant from the ceiling, and I always like to have a new flower arrangement every season to add variety and a little bit of color to the space. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration for your own space. I can tell you first and foremost, peel and stick tile, super simple, super easy, super effective. So yeah, if you have any questions, you're always welcome to give me a comment down below. If you like what you saw, please give me a like, and you can subscribe to the channel. I know it's only the second episode, but we are going to be uploading episodes every week. If you have any questions, I look forward to helping you out the best I can. Have a good one, and we'll see you again soon. It was so good until the end.